project by Kayla Hayes. An object will remain at rest unless a force is exerted on it. For example, the person moved until her foot kicked it, and an object in motion stays in motion until an unbalanced force causes it to come to a complete rest. For example, as the weight increases, the force needed to push the car needs to increase too. For example, you choose one finger right now, and then when we put a sticky poke in it, she has to use 2 fingers. And then when we put another thing, use 3. When we're bouncing the balls, our hand pushes a force down on the ball, and then when it hits the ground exerts an equal and opposite force, making it go back up. And then our hand pushes it down again, and then up and down, and up and down, and up and down. Yeah. Okay, when she throws the sticky box, the horizontal force is constant, but the gravity makes it slow pull down. It goes down, so that makes it projectile motion. For example, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Watch out, the momentum. Free fall is when the Earth's gravity keeps the spaceship pulling towards the middle of it so it doesn't go off track. All of these things, even though they're different weights, if we drop them at the same time, these two would fall land at the same time because they have the same amount of gravity pulling on them. But the paper will fall slower because of air resistance. One moving object hits another non-moving object, like that, the force is transferred and makes the other object go. This elephant jumps out of this plane, helicopter. He starts falling, and then at some point, the gravity pulling him down and the air resistance keeping him up is equal, so he just stops for a minute. Then he starts falling again. Thank you for watching. Object in motion stays in motion until it hits an object, an unbalanced force, and then it will come to rest. For example,